Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to part 2 of the 12 volt battery issue with the Toyota Yarises. We're going to do the same experiment we did with the Suzuki Jimny on the Yaris today. But before I do the experiment, I'm going to plug my scanner into the car, because I did speak to one of the Toyota technicians the other day and I asked him what was the minimum voltage that can be in the 12 volt battery to allow the car to turn on. So he showed me where to find all the information on the Toyota software on the scanner. So I'm going to show you what the scanner is going to show Toyota, because Toyota can actually check this with their diagnostic equipment. They can check how many times your car has failed to start. And he also told me that the minimum voltage shows up on a data pin on the scanner. So I'm going to show you the two bits of information. I'm also going to show you the voltage of my battery as it stands now. Right, here we are. I've got the scanner plugged into the car and I've got the appropriate data pins now up on the scanner. The top data pin shows the voltage in my battery as we stand here now, and it's 14.19 volts. The next data pin below it says auxiliary battery voltage at low voltage checking initiation. What that means is when you try to start the car and the battery is low, the computer will check the voltage of your 12 volt battery. At the point the battery reaches 11 volts, that is the point where the car won't turn on. The data pin below it is auxiliary battery voltage low times. The car actually counts and remembers how many times your battery has dropped below 11 volts. So my car's never had a low voltage issue, so I've got 0 count on that. That 11 volts is the voltage where your car won't turn on. So that's the first point I needed to show you. At what voltage your car won't turn on. Right. Next thing we need to establish on the car is where is the 12 volt battery? It lives under the rear seat on the passenger side. And I need to remove this cover to get to the battery. There's 2 little poppers I've got to get out. I can remove the battery cover and we can get to the battery to test. Right, to get to the battery you have to pull these 2 little tabs out. You've got to sort of extract the centre of the tab and then just pop them out. Now I can remove the cover. So we've pulled the cover back now. There's the cover. It's located here, here, and 2 little poppy tabs over there. Comes off quite easily. So I can put that to one side. Just throw him up there. Here's the battery. It's only a little battery. There's not a lot of room in there to put a bigger battery. So this is the cable. This is the earth cable, like we did with the Suzuki. we put the amp clamp on there. So we're going to go for that earth cable. So let's set the experiment up.